Okay, so this is an introduction to the animator now. So I've added some extra layers onto my timeline there, as you can see, all the full courses and then all across college. So if I just click the play button, you can see it runs through. And then up to Holy Cross College at the end. So as you can see, it's not very exciting. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Animator. We're going to add small animations to the layers. So what I want you to do is use the player and move it up to the edge of the A and D. Yeah, and next to that you can see a little arrow. I want you to click on the arrow, and then you'll see there it says Animate. So if you click on that, these are all the different sort of presets that you can use. So we're going to scale it up. So as you can see there, we've got the options. So I want you to click Animator 1, okay, and you can see the scale tool that we've got there. Okay. And what I'd like you to do, where it says scale, I'd like you to unclick the proportion, the constraints, and then click the first one at 100 and the second one at 0. Okay, there you go, and press enter. And then if you watch as I click there, you can see it scales up from the bottom as I click the start. Now at the minute it's doing each of the characters. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to click on words instead of characters. There we go. And then hopefully when I do it again, the whole word will come up like you can see there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to set what's called a keyframe. So make sure it's at the start of my timeline, which it is there. Okay, and then you'll notice that there is a little stopwatch next to start. If you click on that, and you'll create a keyframe. Okay, and that tells us that that's where the animation we want it to start. And then I'm going to move the timeline. I'm going to move it across to where I want it to end. So it's about there, just before graphics comes in. Okay, and then I'm going to move the start up to 100%. Okay, and you'll notice that another keyframe has just been made there. So now we've got two keyframes, one to say start of the animation, one to say the end. So I'm just going to play it back, click space, and there you go, there's my animation. Okay, very basic, and I'm going to show you how to use Keyframe Assistant now.